Imagine you're on a long journey to a distant star. Your spaceship is your home, your lifeline. What would you need to make it comfortable, safe, and capable of reaching your destination? The most fundamental component of any spaceship is its propulsion system. This is what gets it off the ground and keeps it moving through space. There are a few main types of propulsion. Chemical rockets, these are the most common type of propulsion used today. They work by burning fuel and oxidizer to create thrust. Ion engines, these engines use electricity to accelerate ions, which are atoms that have lost or gained electrons. They are very efficient but have a low thrust. Solar sails, these sails use the pressure of sunlight to propel the spaceship. They are a very efficient way to travel long distances but are only effective in the inner solar system. Nuclear propulsion, this type of propulsion uses nuclear energy to heat a propellant, which is then expelled to create thrust. Nuclear propulsion is very powerful but also very dangerous. Structure. The structure of a spaceship is also very important. It needs to be strong enough to withstand the harsh environment of space and the forces of launch and landing. Spaceships are typically made of metal, such as aluminum or titanium. They may also have a heat shield to protect them from the intense heat of re-entry into the atmosphere. Life support. Spaceships need to provide a habitable environment for their crew. This includes oxygen, water, food, and waste management systems. Spaceships may also have a recycling system to conserve resources. Communication. Spaceships need to be able to communicate with Earth and other spacecraft. This is done using radio waves, which can travel through space at the speed of light. Spaceships may also have a satellite communication system to improve their communication capabilities. Navigation. Spaceships need to be able to navigate through space. This is done using a combination of stars, planets, and satellites. Spaceships may also have a navigation computer to help them calculate their course. Other essential components. In addition to the components mentioned above, spaceships may also need a variety of other essential components, such as power systems, to provide electricity for the spaceship's systems. Environmental control systems, to regulate the temperature, humidity, and air quality inside the spaceship. Medical facilities, to treat injuries and illnesses. Entertainment systems, to keep the crew entertained during long missions. Building a spaceship is a complex and challenging task. It requires a deep understanding of physics, engineering, and technology. However, the rewards of space exploration are great. Spaceships have the potential to unlock the secrets of the universe and to inspire future generations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.